तो दोस्तों मैं भी थोड़ा नहा के आता हूँ बीच में, क्योंकि अभी काफ़ी ज़्यादा गर्मी भी है और धूप भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा है। तो थोड़ा सा पानी में ठंडा होके आते हैं। और कैमरा भी मैं लेके जाऊँगा, देखते हैं अंडर वाटर फुटेज कैसी आती है। ये आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे और भी कुछ लोग हैं, यहाँ पे भी हैं। Hello, can you make my video please? Yeah, my I have a YouTube channel.
Yeah, okay, I don't know.
Just
Oh, careful.
okay, it's a recording.
It's okay.
Come shoot me. No problem, it's waterproof.
Ah, yeah, okay.
Can you underwater?
Under?
I don't know to swim.
Yeah.
Are you first time in Goa?
Yeah, first time. In India, you don't swim a lot, no?
No.
It's like that.
I have also come many times,
Oh,
but
so
I
cool.
have make a YouTube channel for traveling videos.
Yeah, okay.
Are you from ma'am?
France.
France?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I give you.
Can I make your video like normally?
Okay.
Hello, what's your name, ma'am?
Florian.
Flavian.
Yes,
Okay, are you from?
France.
No.
At the north. Close to
Okay.
the ocean.
Sorry?
Close to the ocean.
Oh yes, France, Paris, like?
Bretagne. Britannia is a place close to the ocean.
Bretagne, I don't. France, I know.
Yeah, it's ocean. It's
Yeah.
west part.
Yes. I know France. I know many countries because I'm interested in travel.
Okay, yeah.
I have many dreams
You
too.
want visit?
No, yeah, I want to visit, but now I am just making a video for YouTube, and it will be grow my channel. I will earn, so definitely I will come.
Okay. And you make video, travel video, everything.
Yes. I make travel videos, so I purchased this camera for making travel videos.
Yeah, it's big camera.
Yes, because so many have camera, but GoPro is the high level action camera for vlogging and shooting, so I purchased this.
It's go for yeah.
Yes. Okay, I make underwater. Okay, thank you, ma'am. ये है अरम्बोल बीच, यहाँ की काफ़ी फेमस बीच है ये। मैम कैन आई ज्वाइन a video camera? You know English?
Video?
Yes. YouTube travel video. What's your name?
Kate.
From?
Moscow.
No, Moscow. Oh, Moscow, Russia.
You from South America?
No, I am from India.
India.
I make travel videos. I just video for it's called Russian beach. Russia, very famous beach, Arambol beach. And what's your name, ma'am? Susan. Susa. Are you from also Russia? How like your braces? It's a pain eating in the face. Because I have when we eat, it's a very painful. So you are first time in coming in Russia? Sorry, India. First time?
First time.
Oh, okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.